Okay, we have a forward gap bed lathe, model 430 by 1100, serial number LA03107. This machine was new in the 2000s, and it's nice, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has inch and metric threading capability. It's got a removable gap, D16 CAMLOCK spindle. Right now he's running. You have a foot brake too. He does forward and reverse. Okay. You have speeds from 35 up to 2,000 RPM. That was a low speed. That's even a lower speed. You have 2 1/4 inch spindle hole. Great. Medium range. Machine has a steady rest, a 4-way tool post, a 3-jaw chuck, again a foot brake, live center. Much faster speed, medium range or high range? High range. Okay. He's engaged the lead screw and we're threading, the half nut and we're threading. Cross slide feed. And longitudinal feed. Machine also does have a thread dial. We're going to run one more speed, I guess. Machine's really nice and quiet. Hey. Thank you for watching our video.